Hello everyone. So the Europa League final is to be played between Sevilla and Inter Milan, and Sevilla has won this tournament the record 5 times, and they are looking for to win this sixth time. And whereas Inter Milan has won this tournament 2 times, that too in the era of 90s. So yes, it will be a tricky match, I think, and yes, this game will be played in the Cologne Stadium of Germany. The temperature will be very hot and humid itself. So yes, they have to cope up with the temperature as well. So talking about Sevilla, Sevilla plays their football with 4-3-3 formation, and they really are playing some beautiful, expensive football. They used to play from the wide side of the field, and their midfield combination has been brilliant this season. The playmaker Banega with Lucas Ocampos, Suso, Reguilon, and centrally Fernando has been playing brilliantly this season. And the style of play, the combination play has been terrific. And yes, Sevilla used to dominate possession generally, and they will try to keep the ball, and their passing game has been brilliant. And then their goalkeeper Bruno has made some exceptional saves in the semi-final with Manchester United. So yes, this team is formidable. And whereas Inter Milan, they used to play in a formation of 3-5-2 under the ex-Chelsea manager Antonio Conte. So they used to play defensively, and yes, they are defensively very deep, and they used to play their counter-attacking football with the likes of Romelu Lukaku. He has scored 33 goals in this season. Okay, so he is been in tremendous form, and with him, the Argentine superstar, 22 years old Lautaro Martinez, he's been very good in front of goals. So yes, that formidable duo is really can be too much for Sevilla, because defensively Sevilla are not that much great. Yes, Diego Carlo is doing pretty much good job, but that formidable duo can do anything. The defensive reinforcement they have got in the experience of Diego Godin and De Vrij, they are so solid defensively, and their goalkeeper Handanovic, his handlings are superb, and his distributions are also so good. So it's really tough to defeat the Inter Milan team. Okay, yes, I have seen in some reports in the media as well that Inter Milan are slightly favorites to win the tie. In the betting system, they are up in 10/1 to the second best team Sevilla, who are 20/1. People are saying that Inter Milan are slightly favorites to win this tie, but then again, in a cup final like that, you can't say anything. Okay, in a cup final, nothing is predictable, and but if I want to predict the match, this match is so tough. Okay, you just can't predict a final. But finally, I will go a 3-2 scoreline with Sevilla win this competition 6 time, record 6 time to be honest. Because I think yes that Sevilla can cause a lot of problems to that Inter Milan defense. So yes, this is my prediction: 3-2 to win for Sevilla. Um, so let's enjoy the game. Thank you.